To escape a suffering state, you get addicted to pleasurable fantasizing. But sadly, all pleasurable fantasizing leads you into suffering states again. Some of you are speaking of being addicted to anger, inferiority, or depression. Some of you are speaking of being addicted to an activity like internet gaming or Netflix. Couple of you are speaking of being addicted to an external substance. Addiction is a monster to which you become a slave, and gradually this monster begins to suck you. You will ignore the most pressing tasks of life and succumb to your addiction. You will disconnect from people and engage in this addiction. You don't mind people suffering around you. You will become selfish and engage in addiction. You will be failing at life in so many areas, but still you will engage in this addiction. Well, addictions are two kinds. There are physical addictions, addictions that are external to you, and there are mental addictions or inner addictions, addictions to suffering states of mind. Physical addictions means you are dependent on an external resource to feel good. You are dependent on alcohol, you are dependent on smoking, you are dependent on drugs, you are dependent on gaming, dependent on something outside you. These are visible, but the vast majority of human beings are psychologically addicted, emotionally addicted. Now, this is where I want you to bring attention and listen. The human mind is strange. It can get addicted to painful states. You do get addicted to anger, right? Most of the heroes in your movies are people who are addicted to anger, rage, and violence. You get addicted to loneliness, depression, and anxiety. These are actually nowadays easy addictions where many youth are getting addicted to. And in order to escape these painful states, you move into pleasure, such as daydreaming, fantasizing that you're having the most romantic of lives, fantasizing that you are around with some supermodel. This is key. I want you to understand this. To escape a suffering state, you get addicted to pleasurable fantasizing. But sadly, all pleasurable fantasizing leads you into suffering states again. It is a vicious cycle. Are you able to understand this? Now understand, behind every external addiction, there is an addictive suffering state. If you are addicted to flirting and you are not able to break it, there is an addictive state behind it. That state could be loneliness. That state could be the feeling of not being enough. From that feeling of not being enough, you are moving into pleasurable fantasizing, and externally, you are giving into the addiction of flirting recklessly. If you are smoking and you are not able to give it up, in all probability, you are addicted to the state of frustration. You are addicted to the state of anger. And so, to escape that pain, you want an emotional high. You are addicted to smoking. If you become an alcoholic addict and you are not able to break it, that means there is a painful inner state. That state could be depression. That state could be deep frustration that you have failed. And to escape that frustration, to escape that sadness of having failed, you want a high and get to alcohol. Whenever your pain and pleasure get engaged into a habit, it becomes an addiction.